Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your Facebook profile link using your Android device. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Tap your profile picture to open your Facebook profile. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three-dot menu below your profile name. Next, look for the copy link, copy profile link, or your profile link option, depending on your app version. Tap it to copy your Facebook profile link to your clipboard. If you don't see the option, tap Share Profile, then select Copy Link from the available sharing options. You can now paste your Facebook profile link into a message, email, or social media post whenever you want to share your profile with others. And that's it, you've successfully found your Facebook profile link. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.